Okay. Good morning to one and all. Welcome
Yes,
back to
sir.
social science class. And this class is basically we want to discuss something from geography. Okay. So everyone, please take your geography textbook. So we are here at the fourth chapter, agriculture, right? And we discussed about various types of agriculture methods. What are they, Justin Varghese? Justin Varghese, tell me about the different types of agricultural practices. Justin, Mr. Justin Varghese. Justin Varghese, can you hear me? Hello? Justin? No answers from Justin. No idea that he is able to listen or not. Fine. Mr. Rohan, sorry, Roshan Jain. Roshan Jain, tell me. No voice, no voice. Hello? Hello? No voice at all.
Can you repeat that question?
What are the different types of agricultural practices? No idea, right? No idea. Fantastic. Abin Thompson. Abin Thompson. So listen carefully. You people are going to write the board examination this year. 10th class students. Still behaving like a 9th class student, attending the classes. Some of you not able to attend the classes, not interested to do that. Not not unable or something like that. You're not interested basically. Huh? So discuss the things a number of times in the class. Minimum 3 times I discussed about these different types of agricultural practices and agricultural seasons in India. Still don't know. No notes. Few students, I can say that only 4 to 5 students regularly they're sending the notes. Others, no idea about the notes. Hmm? The things are like this, it is difficult for you people. Clear? First of all, you wanted to think you are 10th class students. I am a 10th class student. I want to write the board examination this year. So things should be in a perfect order. Want to learn every day. Want to understand the things in a proper way. But no responses from you people related with the examination. PT1 paper I corrected. Performance is not that good for some people. Some people complete the examination within what you can say 10 minutes and send the answer script to me. Scored 10 mark, 12 mark or something like that. Such kind of things are not good at all. Okay, let it be. So, Rohan Raj, tell me, what are the different types of agricultural practices?
Rice.
Hmm?
Rice.
Agricultural practices, rice. I'm not asking about eating something.
I see.
Sir.
Different methods are there, right? To cultivate related with the
Rabi
population,
crops.
related with the land. What is that?
Rabi crops.
No. That is related with the seasons.
Sir, plantation,
Yeah, plantation, correct. Vision, plantations,
commercial farming,
commercial farming, correct.
jumping farming,
Huh? What is that?
jumping farming,
Pardon? So open your textbook and check it. What are different types of farming methods are there?
Commercial farming.
Subsistence
Huh?
farming.
What is that?
Primitive subsistence farming.
Primitive subsistence farming. Then
Commercial farming.
intensive subsistence farming. Then
Slash and
then commercial
commercial farming.
farming. Then last one it is Plantation. Plantation. Okay. Tell me, Aaron Jos. Aaron, tell me what is this primitive subsistence farming? Aaron Jos. Primitive subsistence farming. No idea. Searching for the answer. Delvin. Delvin.
Yes, sir.
Delvin.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is primitive subsistence farming? No idea. Sriram,
Yes, sir.
tell me what is that?
The farming method in which a small patch of land is cultivated
Hmm. So
using,
basically, they are cultivating in a small patch of land. Then
using traditional tools.
what? Answer is not that correct.
A small community.
Basically, use family labor or community labor. Okay. You told a small community, right? Family labor or community labor. Then what other name of this kind of cultivation? There are different names are there. What are they?
Slash and burn.
Yeah, slash and burn. Then Hodu, Penta, like various names are there. I only told you that all those names are important for the examination for 1 mark. Okay, clear? So learn that. Then what is intensive subsistence farming? Ashna Anthony. Ashna Anthony, what do you mean by that? Intensive subsistence farming. Intensive subsistence farming. What is that? Isha.
Sir, it is agriculture in which by a large amount of biochemical inputs and irrigation is used. For,
Needed. Okay, fine. Okay, those points are correct. And basically, we are practicing that type of agriculture where population pressure on land is high, right? Yes or no? Population pressure on land is high. Next one, Rachel Boben. Rachel, tell me what is commercial cropping or commercial cultivation or commercial farming? What is that? Come on, tell me the answer.
high.
High?
No, sir.
No.
High.
Don't know. Raya,
So using higher
using what?
HIV seeds, chemical fertilizer.
I'm asking about this commercial farming. What is that? Navneet Krishna.
In this type of farming, higher dose of modern inputs like HIV and chemical
HIV.
fertilizer.
What do you mean HIV AIDS?
High,
It is
HV.
HYV. Okay. HYV. High yielding variety of seeds, not HIV or something like that. Okay.
Sorry,
It's
sir.
not AIDS ban. Okay. Come on, tell me.
High yielding
Variety of seeds. Yeah, fine, good. Then,
chemical
so what is
fertilizer.
specialty of commercial farming? We are cultivating a same crop in a large area of land, large tract of land. It is just to sell the product in the market. Clear? Yes or no? Simple answer it is. Okay. Okay. Anyway, now Krishna give a new definition. Okay, fine. Everyone remember that is HYV, high yielding variety of seeds. Okay, let it be. Next one. What is plantation? Plantation. Almost the same, right? So almost like a commercial cultivation, right? And we want to use a fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides to improve the production, and basically want to sell these products in the market to make money. Clear? Yes or no? So tell me, Elsa, what are the agricultural seasons in India? How many are there and what are they?
Rabi, Kharif, Zaid.
Okay, very good. Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid are the agricultural seasons in India. Okay. So Angelo, it is Angelo or Angelo? Angelo, right? Angelo, tell me something about this Rabi crops. Rabi cultivation or Rabi season.
Rabi are
sown in winter
Hmm.
and harvested in the summer.
Okay. Then
And the crops are wheat, gram, and mustard.
What happened to you? Your voice is not that good. What? Cold or something? Okay, Angelo, thank you. Next, Mr. Sowell. Sowell Jason, tell me about Kharif crops or Kharif season.
It is grown in summer.
Summer. Sowell Jason is checking the answer. Okay, Minha Salim, tell me. Minha Salim,
Yes, sir.
tell me. Give me the answer, please. Kharif crops.
Sir, Kharif crops are grown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June.
Then what about Rabi crops?
They are grown in the onset of monsoon.
Is that correct? Is that correct or not? Check it properly. Gauri, tell me about the Kharif crops or Kharif season.
Crops which are grown in the onset of monsoon
Okay.
and they are harvested from September to October.
Okay, fine. What are the
Important
major
crops-
crops?
The major crops are maize, jowar, bajra, cotton, jute, soybean, nuts, etc.
Okay. So what about Zaid? Zaid season? Eva George? Eva George?
Between Rabi and Kharif. It's a short season during the summer.
Okay, it's a season, short season between Rabi and Kharif. Okay. So what are the
Some
major crops?
Watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables.
Vegetables. Okay, fine. So remember, again, I'm telling you people, 10th class students, okay, going to write up what? The board examination. Okay, CBSE board examination is here. So it is important to learn the things properly and perfectly. Okay. Any doubts which you can ask? Some students are sending messages to me related with the doubts there. I'm clarifying that. Okay, and one message is pending. Okay, then the class I will explain that. Okay, political class I will explain that. Hello, Ashna says that she is unable to. She can. Hello, Ashna, can you hear me? Hello, students, please. Don't speak something. My body is not working
Yes, sir.
properly, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. 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 Good. Okay. So we will start again. Take your textbook, everyone. So in the last session, we discussed about the major crops of India. Clear? Major crops of India. Okay. So we discussed about the rice, geographical, climatical conditions, geographical and climatical conditions required for the growth of rice. Clear? And today we start with the wheat. Okay, just your textbook. Textbook is important for this lesson. There are a number of one-word answers are there, one-mark answers are there. So reading the textbook is very compulsory, very important for this particular lesson there. So wheat. This is the second most important cereal crop. It is the main food crop in north and northwestern part of India. Underline the second most important cereal crop in India. Then what is the first one? What is the first most important staple food item of India?
Rice.
Rice. Second one, it is wheat. Okay, basically it is cultivating in the north and northwestern part of the country. This rabi crop, it's a rabi crop, requires a cool growing season and a bright sunshine at the time of ripening. What's the importance? A cool growing season. So it's a winter one, right? It's a winter crop. So cool growing season is necessary. And at the time of ripening, or time of harvesting, what is required here? Bright sunshine. So it will harvest in the months of, we already discussed that, May. Okay. Clear or not? April, May months. Clear? Yes or no? Is that clear or not? Okay. So remember, and it required a 50 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall evenly distributed over the growing season there. Okay, so 50 to 75 centimeters of rainfall also necessary for the growth of a wheat. And what about rice? What the rainfall requirement for rice?
100 centimeters.
100 centimeter, 100 centimeter, correct. And for here, wheat requires 50 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall evenly distributed over the growing season. Okay, clear or not? A perfect rainy season? No, right. Okay. What kind of rain is that? Precipitation is that? Evenly distributed one. Okay. Only 50 to 70 centimeter per year. There are two important wheat growing zones in the country. The Ganga Satluj plains, underline the Ganga Satluj plain. Okay, in the plains near to the Ganga river, Ganga Satluj plain, in the northwest and black soil region of the Deccan. Okay, black soil region of the Deccan. So Deccan tract, that's in peninsular India, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, that region, it will grow. Okay, what is the specialty of the soil? It is black soil. Okay, northwest and black soil regions of the Deccan. The major wheat producing states are, what are they? Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, and Rajasthan. Clear? Major wheat producing states in India: Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, and Rajasthan. Okay, so how this thing is clear there, right? What is the geographical condition necessary for the growth of wheat? What is the geographical condition? Tell me, what is that?
Wind.
I'm asking about geographical. Where it will grow? See, observe here. It is growing zones in the country, the Ganga Satluj plains. Okay, a special region. Next one, the black soil region of the Deccan. The geographical regions. Clear? Understand? Next one, climatical conditions. What is the climatical condition necessary? Rabi crop, it is required a cool growing season. Cool growing season. Okay, bright sunshine at the time of ripening. It's a climatical one, right? Next one, it requires 50 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall distributed over the growing season. Another climatical speciality. Clear? Yes or no? And what are the states in India where wheat's growing here? That is Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, and Rajasthan. Clear? Clear or not? Major wheat producing states. Okay. So write a question near to that paragraph. Write a short note. Or what are the geographical and climatical conditions required for the growth of wheat? Okay, and write the important states where wheat growing. Come on fast. You already wrote that question related with the rice. Now change
Sir,
that.
can you repeat those?
Okay, what are the geographical and climatical conditions necessary for the growth of, or important for the growth of wheat? And write the names of the states where wheat growing in India. Clear? Okay. Yes or no? Okay, now just read that fast.
Sir, conditions, climatical conditions.
For the growth of wheat, Visan. For the growth of wheat. Okay. Come on, read that. Very important question. Asked for the board examination too. So learn that. Rice, wheat.
Sir, annual rainfall means.
Annual rainfall means rainfall that received by an area in an year. That's what annual rainfall. Okay. What about Sowell is typing something there? Are you sending message to someone, Mr. Sowell?
No, sir.
No. That's good for you. Okay, come on fast. Where are you, Mr. Fizan? Are you attending the class for an operation theater or something?
No, sir, it's my father.
Okay, fine. I can see number of gadgets there, different equipments or something like that. So Fizan is a doctor, right, Mr. Fizan? Interested
No,
in
sir.
that? No. Okay, guys, come back. Okay, so now we completed two major crops of India. One is rice, paddy. The other one is wheat. Now we are moving to the third one, millets. Millets. Okay, they are small seeded grasses. Okay, small seeded grasses. They are called to be millets there, basically. You can see that, okay? Small seeded grasses, corn, right? Bajra. Okay. Then what is that? Ragi. Okay. They are example for millets. What are they? Jowar, Bajra, Ragi are the important millets grown in India. Though these are known as coarse grains. Coarse grains, those grains are rich with different vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. Clear? But not white in color. Okay. Clear or not? If you have ground this paddy or wheat, we will get a white flour, right? Okay, but these are coarse grains. Its color is different. Color is different. Okay, though these are known as coarse grains, they have very high nutritional value. What is the importance of coarse grain? Okay, very high nutritional value. Okay, for example, ragi is very rich in iron, calcium, other micronutrients, and roughages. Okay, fiber. Clear? Okay, jowar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. Underline. So, while observing these 2-3 sentences, you come to know that there are chances are there for number of 1 mark questions there, right? Right? Read it. Okay, jowar, bajra, and ragi are the important millets grown in India. Clear? One fill in the blanks is there. Okay, though these are known as the coarse grains. Okay, so what are the coarse grains? Jowar, bajra, and ragi are the major coarse grains that are growing in India. Okay, so what is the speciality of this coarse grains there? It is rich with nutritional values, high nutrition values there. Okay, for example, ragi is very rich in dash iron, dash calcium, and other micronutrients and roughages, right? Okay, so jowar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. Underline that. Jowar is the third most important product. Okay, food crop. So these millets are cultivating as food for humans as well as for animals. Fodder. Clear? Okay, so millets. It is an rain-fed crop. Rain-fed crop. So rainfall is necessary. Crop mostly grown in the moist areas which hardly needs irrigation. Clear? So these crops are mainly growing in the area where rainfall is abundant and less irrigation is needed. Okay, less irrigation is needed. Okay. Next one, major jowar producing states are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Underline. So you can see some states, okay. Some states, in those states, almost all the crops are growing. Okay. So you want to make a list of such kind of states there. So while writing the examination, you can write those states there. Clear? Don't want to by heart all the states. Clear? Some states are there where almost all the crops are growing. So find out those states there and make a list of that. Okay, so completed discussed about the jowar. Next one is bajra. Bajra. Okay, bajra. It grows well on sandy soils and shallow black soil. A geographical condition, right? What is that? Sandy soil and shallow black soil. Clear? So the first chapter we discussed about the soils, right? Clear or not? The first chapter resources, we discussed about the soils and the speciality of the soils there. So just to connect that with this particular area. Okay, bajra grows on sandy soils and shallow black soil. What do you mean shallow black soil? Huh? You can see the black colored soil on the upper layer of the soil profile, right? Only in the upper layer we can see that. Clear? That's what. Major bajra producing states are Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Haryana. So that's about bajra, a simple topic. Okay, bajra. Okay, next one, ragi. Ragi is a crop of dry regions. Dry regions. Okay, underline. And grows well on red, black, sandy, loamy, and shallow black soil. Clear? Geographical conditions. Okay. What type of soil is necessary for the growth of ragi, growth of bajra? Okay. Only that to mention here. Clear? Then major ragi producing states are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand, and Arunachal Pradesh. Underline that. Clear? So completed. Millets. Okay. Next one, maize. Okay. So I can give 2 minutes for you people to read and understand those two things there. One is bajra, another is ragi. Okay. Everyone, please read. So you are 10th class students. Easily you are able to understand these things there, but you are not trying to do so. Okay. So reading is compulsory. Okay. So write the question there. Okay. Write a short note on. What is that? Short note on what? Millets. Millets of India. So this paragraphs up to here is answer. I want to write about the two major millets. You can write about ragi. You can write about the bajra and jawar. Okay. So the examination, they might ask to write about any one. Okay. So you want to learn all these things there. We don't know what they will ask for the examination. Okay. Next one, maize or corn. Tell me.
That fully on right millets and that ragi bajra.
Hello.
That fully on right millets, ragi, bajra.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. Want to learn that properly. Okay. There's nothing to leave here. So maize is a crop which is used both as food and fodder. Food and fodder. Clear? So all you people like popcorn, right? Yes or no? Anybody is there in this class, those who dislike popcorn or not like popcorn? Jerlin? Jerlin, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
You like popcorn? No.
Yes.
Yes, sorry. Yes. Okay, so if you're going to movies, you know that almost all these movie theaters or malls are making money not by showing the movie but selling the food. Okay, the interval time, right? Is that correct, Swadi? Swadi going for a movie, Swadi will purchase dozens of popcorn packets and ice cream. Huh? Is it correct? Is that correct or not, Miss Swadi? Swadi won't purchase.
Yes.
Huh? No.
Yes.
He will insist your father to buy all these things there. Is that correct, Miss Adulya? Adulya, please correct your camera. I can see only the specs. Okay. So she's using a easy chair. That's what I think so. Right? Are you using easy chair, Miss Adulya? So sometimes
No,
she'll
sir.
go back. So I can see only your spectacles. Okay, guys. Come back. So that's about. Raya is very much tense there. What happened, Raya? I'm not going to ask any question. Okay, what's the problem? Raya. So you people are like this, all are not that much interested in the class or not that happy. What is the problem with you people? Also serious. I thought that I am the most serious person in this world, but if you I'm observing you people, I think I am nothing for you people. Okay, tell me what's the problem? Huh? Abin Thompson is writing something seriously. There are you drawing something Mickey Mouse? Huh? No, no. Okay, tell me what is the trouble? You're so tensed, right? How many of you are alone at home? How many of you? Parents only went for job or something? Anybody is there like that? Nobody. So Isha says no. So someone are there at home, right? Okay. So after the class, mingle with them, make phone calls to your friends. Okay. Clear or not? Okay, how many of you watching movies regularly here? Piracy people, they are downloading movies from Telegram. How many of you? Fisan says he's downloading regularly movies from Telegram. Okay, and it's a criminal offense, Mr. Fisan. Okay, Saeed also saying that he's also downloading movies from Telegram, right? Okay, so listen carefully. So don't be serious. Clear. So Shania Simon. Shania Simon also seriously writing something there. What is that? Shania?
Nothing, sir.
Okay. So now, what about your breakfast? Had it or not? Shania?
No, sir.
No, that's what. That's the major reason, I think so. 8:30. You woke up by 8:25. No breakfast. Okay. Hungry. Some sounds are coming from the stomach. Okay. Clear. Want to call the fire force? Huh? Burning or not? No. That's what you people are so serious, I think. Okay. Let it be. Fine. So I'm also like that only, not write anything yet, because I want to travel nearly 30 kilometers to reach the school there. Clear? Understand? I will wake up by morning 4:30 and arranging all the things and starting to school by nearly 7 o'clock. Okay. I will take on the food after only the first period. So please adjust. Clear? So I am so fatty. So that much food I want. Clear. So you know that already I infected with the COVID. So nearly 18 kilograms reduced. So I think that is a good one for me because that fat I am. Now I'm using my old pants. Means new pants all loose. So old pants, old shirts. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Okay, guys, come back. We will start. Let me record the class. Oh, this is recording, and I forgot to stop the recording. Okay, so everyone can hear all these things hereafter. Okay, no problem in that. I think so. Okay, come back. So here, we are here. So it's maize, right? We discussed. We started the discussion from the popcorn, right? Fine. So here it's a crop which is used to both as food and fodder. Oh, we know that food and fodder. Okay, we are able to use that, and the same time can use as a animal food. It is a kharif crop which requires temperature between. Yeah, this is the climatical conditions needed for the growth of maize. Here it is temperature 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Okay. So tell me, what about the rice? What about the rice? What the temperature is requirement?
About 25 degree
25, about
Celsius.
25 degrees Celsius, correct. And the kharif crop which require temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and grows well in old alluvial soil, which means the geographical necessary. Okay. In some states like Bihar, maize is grown in Rabi season also. It's a important statement. In some states like Bihar, maize is grown in Rabi season too. Okay. Here, it use the modern inputs such as HYV seeds. Now we need HYV seeds, fertilizers, and irrigation. Irrigation. High yielding variety of seeds necessary. Fertilizers is necessary. Irrigation. Okay. It have contributed to the increasing production of maize. So maize production today in India, it is increasing because we are using high yielding variety of seeds, fertilizers, and irrigation. Okay. Major maize producing states are Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. Clear? Underline that. Maize producing states in India. Okay, write the short note also. What are the geographical or question? What are the geographical and climatical conditions required for the growth of maize? Required for the growth of maize or corn. Done, right? Okay. So what more topic we can clear today? We can complete today. Pulses. India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. One mark. Okay, largest producer of pulses and largest consumer of pulses. Homework for you people. Okay, find out the names of different pulses that are cultivating in India. Okay, you can find some here and others also. How to find it? Write down. So here, these are the major source of protein in the vegetarian diet. So we know that in the world, okay, there are basically three or two types of food habits are there, right? Vegetarians are not three basically. Three in the sense they are vegans. They are not using milk products. Okay, so two are there, right? Basically two are there commonly. Clear? Vegetarians and non-vegetarians. How many non-vegetarians? Sorry, vegetarians are there in this class? Vegetarians only they will eat vegetarian food. No hands are rising there. Okay, all are non-vegetarians, right? So Angelo says that she's a vegetarian, right, Angelo? Are you? Yeah, she's a
Yes, sir.
vegetarian. So I got one person. Okay, vegetarian one. Okay, that's good. So here, non-vegetarian food also good, good only. Vegetarian food also good only. That is related with the people, right or not? Okay, their likes and dislikes. Okay, we cannot insist anyone to eat this or that. Okay, that up to their attitude. Okay, or mentality. Clear? So in the vegetarian diet, it is very difficult to add or receive protein from the food items there. So well, there comes pulses. So pulses is an important source of protein. Important source of protein. Okay. Here, major pulses that are grown in India are Thor or Arhar, Urad, Moong, okay, Mazur, peas and gram. Peas and gram. Okay. Find out the names of these pulses and understand that's in Malayalam, right? Okay, for easy understanding, right? So try to do that. No, not compulsory for the students from the other states. They know that the names of these in their vernacular language too. Okay, clear. And gram, can you distinguish which of these pulses are grown in the Kharif season and which are grown in the Rabi season? Another homework for you people. Okay, so you have to find out. You have to find this answer for this question. Okay, what are the pulses that are growing in the Rabi season and what are the pulses that are growing in the Kharif season? Kharif season. Write down the question. Okay, so or underline the question and find out that answer there. I want to know that. Okay, pulses need less moisture and survive even dry conditions. A particular speciality, okay, a peculiarity for these crops. Okay, need less moisture. Okay, right, and survive even in dry conditions. So irrigation is not that necessary. Okay, rainfall is enough. Okay, and survive even in dry conditions. It will grow in the dry condition also. Okay, being leguminous crops. What do you mean leguminous crops? What you studied in biology, right? Root nodules and the process related with the nitrogen fixation. Studied or not? No. No. Okay, let it be. So these plants have the ability to store nitrogen in its roots. Okay, clear or not? And later that will fix, I mean, it will mix with the soil and it's good for the crops. Okay, all these crops are except arhar help in restoring soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air. Okay, therefore, these are mostly grown in the rotation with other crops. Rotation with other crops. In one season, the farmers will cultivate some other crops. After that, they will cultivate these pulses. Again, they will cultivate what? Paddy or wheat. Clear. Other crops than the pulses. So it is this pulses cultivation is good for improving the fertility of the soil. Fertility of the soil. Just understand that. Major pulses producing states in India are Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, and Karnataka. Karnataka. Write a question. Let a short note on pulses. Hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so time is nearly 9:20, so time to wind up the session. So everyone, read the things that what we discussed today. Okay, the topics we discussed about wheat, pulses, then millets. Clear? So learn all the things properly, read it, and we will meet in the next session. Okay, everyone, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.